Hello! Today we will be making this clothespin flapping animal craft. I have 4 designs to show you. This is the dragon. I have also made this bat for Halloween. This monarch butterfly, very colorful. And also this red bird, which I will be showing you how to make today. So for this project, you need some tacky glue. You will also need the clothespin, this strip of paper, which is 10.5 centimeters long. You will also need some colored pencils or markers, and you need to cut out this bird. So I have already colored the back and most of the front, but I am adding some feathers on the front here. So on this side and also on the other side to add some texture to the bird, like this. And when I have that done, I am going to fold his wings inward, like this, and the other one too. And this is just to make sure that the bird has a base here, which we will go into the clothespin. And now I will have my strip, which I have folded, and my clothespin. And I need to add some glue to the bottom of my clothespin on the front here, right here. And also remember to put some glue on the sides, because I have discovered that this helps the bird flap better. So I add the glue on the sides too. And now I can attach my strip, and this is just in the middle here, like so, and then fold upward on the sides, like so. And now I can add some glue right in the middle here on the clothespin. And so I will just add some of the glue right here and on this side here. So I can add my bird on, and then I will make sure that these stand up, and I will add some glue next on these little flaps that go inward here and here. So I'm just going to add that glue on both sides and then glue them on like that, and the other one other side. There we go, and I will just attach these to the wings like this, and just this other side here just the same. So now I'll just press it in place, and when this is dry, this works very well. I will see how it works, and slapping his wings. Thank you for watching.